Benchmark indices ended higher for the third straight session, with Nifty above 15,800 amid buying across the sector. All the sectoral indices are trading in the green, with capital goods IT indices rose 2% each. The BSE mid-cap index added 0.8% and small cap index added 1.5%. Let's take a look at the closing bell report and some top headlines. At close, the Sensex was up by 0.82% and the Nifty was up by 0.85%. Indian rupee ended flat at 78.344 per dollar. Both gold and silver are retailing on the higher side of the MCX. Gold futures recorded a hike of 0.39% and silver futures recorded a jump of 1.01%. The top gainers of the market were ONGC, Coal India, L&T, HCL Technologies and Tech Mahindra. While the top losers included ICICI Motors, Apollo Hospitals, HDFC Life, Reliance Industries and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let's take a look at some top news now. Invesco MF through its Invesco India multi-cap fund sold 3,73,659 equity shares of Repco Home Finance, and Invesco tax plan offloaded 3,39,349 equity shares at an average price of rupees 117 rupees per share. Bajaj Auto to increase the prices by up to rupees 2,000 with effective from 1st July 2022 due to steep rise in raw material cost and chip storage. Vedanta is preparing its biggest ever rupee bond sale. Vedanta is seeking commitments for as much as 4,809 crores of 10-year notes. TTK Prestige today announced the progress on strategic investment and business collaboration with UltraFresh, an end-to-end modular kitchen solutions provider. So that's all for the day, and please take care. Don't forget to log in to Investonomics page on ICICIdirect.com, your guide to all things investment.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.